Please subscribe to Extreme Go On channel and press the bell icon to see my adventure videos first.
Okay, I'm now at the Kathmandu airport and we have reached here. Okay, now we're traveling from the airport to the hotel where my brother is already checked in. He came a little earlier than me. There were some issues which finally got sorted out. It's still drizzling here. Let's hope the weather turns into our favor and things go well, because we need to travel, man. We need to travel. Okay, now we are heading out to the city of Kathmandu. Let me see what's there. Now it's our turn to go out and see what's there. Let's explore Nepal. Okay, we have come here at Chandragiri mountain. There are these cable cars which will take us to the top of the mountain. This is our ticket to venture out the Chandragiri hills. Let's go on top. Let's see what's there. Okay, surprisingly the visibility level has come to 0 and we can't see anything which is there on top now. I'll show you. What I can see from here is this. Basically nothing. That's the temple here, which is at 2551 meters above the sea level. The name of the temple is Baleshwar Mahadev Temple. That's the beauty of this temple. It's excellent. हाँ हमारे एक फोटो. Surprise, surprise, what I'm going to show you right now is a bar at 2520 meters above sea level. That's behind me, right behind me. Okay, let's go inside and see what's there here, what they do offer. I've heard a lot about this bar because from here this is one place where you can see Mount Everest, the peak of Mount Everest, when you have a clear weather. Let's go down.
Well, it's pretty cool.
That's the end. We'll walk down now.
Yeah, into the wild now.
Into the wild.
Amazon after the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting dark.
We're still walking down. Okay, but let me tell you guys, if you are coming through the cable car on top over here, make sure you have your return ticket done, because this is a little difficult trek down if the roads are not clear, because when we came down over here there was a landslide, and because of which we have to walk down now.
Somewhere inside the forest we were doing this trekking, and then we are deep inside the forest, deep inside. नाम क्या है इसका?
सुकुटी बोलते हैं.
सुकुटी.
और ड्राई मीट.
Dry meat.
Okay, I have a suggestion over here for everyone. Okay, anywhere you travel, don't forget to try local cuisine. And I will make sure that I will go around and eat local food.
आजा बैठ जा अंदर
के हुँदैन
ए हाँ यो मलाई सुज गर्नु
जुत्ता लाएर आइदिए त हामी
गाडी ल फुकाल्नु फुकाल्नु लिप्नु परिहाल्यो अब
लाइन रे यो बस रे स्टुल के मरे
तिनीहरूलाई पनि यहीँ बोलायो हुन्थ्यो कि तातो भित्र
अब
अन्त त यहीँ राम्रो रहेछ नि आगोको छेउमा
at the Shambhunath temple. There you go. That's right behind me. This is Shambhunath temple, guys.
This place is beautiful. Again, beware of the monkeys around here. There are too many monkeys. So if you're carrying any packets or any bags in your hands, make sure you hold them tight and have a look around. The marketplace is really nice. There are a couple of shops where you can find some antique items which you can take from here. Okay. The main purpose of visiting Kathmandu or say Nepal was to do the bungee jump. Okay, which we'll be doing next. That's what we are here for, and that is what we are going to do.
If you guys want to buy some antique pieces as a souvenir, you can do that over here because there are too many antique things out here, and there are some really nice paintings as well.
We are now at Swambhunath Stupa, and this place is beautiful. Have a look around this place. You will find peace in it.
La fine, fine.
बस बस
Huh. Once again to try the local food out here. Okay. Let's see what she has to offer us. The street food looks yum. Let's see how it tastes also. Hopefully it should taste nice.
Now we are in this place called Patan. This is one of the oldest towns over here and one of the oldest Hindu temple icons. This was damaged during the 2015 earthquake and they're rebuilding it slowly.
This place is called Kathmandu Darbar Square. It has ancient buildings here. The evenings over here are more popular because people do gather over here. They like to sit around. There's a marketplace next to it, so they do sit around over here and they enjoy the time. They watch the sunset happening. It's a great thing to do around.
Hey, good morning guys, we are at the last resort. We'll be leaving from here in another 5 to 10 minutes for the base jump area. It will be 5 hours from here, and yes, we'll be there soon.
We'll be jumping from this end, dude. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Okay, that's the last resort. That's the place where we have booked our place for, and we'll be meeting our guide over here. We'll be doing our safety instructions they'll be giving us over here. This is how it looks like. We'll be waiting here for some time. That's the partner in my crime. It's a nice place. It's cool and calm. We'll be waiting here for some time, I guess, and then they'll be guiding us about the safety instructions and all. This place is beautiful because it is into the mountains here. It looks awesome.
Alright, Sangam, how's it going?
It's quite wonderful, I guess.
Right. Okay, come down. Slowly come down. Total boy. लो thumbs up कर दो लो thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, come on.
Bye bye to the last resort.
It was a fun-filled day, I must say this, because doing bungee and the canoeing, it was really an experience. Couple of things left to see in Kathmandu now, so that's what we are going to do when we reach there. Before we say our final goodbyes to Nepal, before we travel back to India. Well, we are here at the Bauddha Stupa. It's a beautiful place. Again, I'm falling in love with Kathmandu for some reason. Okay, and the best part is that you don't need a passport to travel or a visa to travel in this part of the world, because and for an Indian an Aadhaar card would do it, would survive.
How's Mata? Tawzale sabi? Now what we are having is the local bun with the local sabzi, chana sabzi. How is it? Good?
Nepal is beautiful. The city of Kathmandu is also. But a word of advice to my viewers. Friends, Kathmandu have a great nightlife, but at times they get pushy to welcome you to the restaurants and bars. So be careful if you go out at night, especially. If you guys do come here, don't forget to take some Rudrakshas, as it's cheap here. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching.